What's up, guys? So today we're going to install our E85 flex fuel sensor made by Continental. We're going to put it into the Radium split flow. I'm going to assemble that and do the install. We're going to set it up with, it's going to be in this area down here, but we're going to mount it underneath the car. So all of our stuff is underneath the car, so it'll flow from here back into the sensor, right into the fuel filter. So that's going to be sweet, all in one package. So if I have any fueling problems, it's all in the trunk. Alright, so to install, I need to get, where is it? These two parts to sit in here, and the sensor to sit in there, this way. So I'm going to do that right now. I like to use lithium grease to get the lubricant on here so it doesn't eat up the O-rings on the inside. So just a little bit of grease and it should slip right in. So that's one side, and it has two screws that go in here to hold it all together. So that's in. I'll take this side and do the same thing. So it should fit. Bam, just like that. So the sensor moves freely like this right now, so I'm going to take it. It comes with this bracket also, which mounts down here, and that will keep the sensor from moving back and forth. So that'll mount like that underneath the car, and it'll probably sit just like this. Okay, so I put a little bit of Loctite on the two screws just so they won't back out. I'm gonna snug them down. Those are already nice and tight. So now we're gonna go lay out the holes underneath the car so I can figure out which way I need my fuel inlay to face. So they're probably going to face this way and this way, so should work out underneath the car. Okay, so this should sit probably about here, because I'm going to drop a bulkhead connector for any wiring I need right about here for this, and possibly a rain light over here. So that's the plan. So I'm gonna mark up a couple of holes. This fits perfectly right there, kind of, so I shouldn't have any issues with it hitting anything. I'm gonna take a quick measurement off the fuel pump to see how close it is to the tank and get everything somewhat lined up. And then we're gonna pop two holes, put some rib nuts in, and call it a day. Wait for my line guy to get here so I can do the lines. And we're gonna swap this guy out for the feed. So this is gonna feed this now. so should work out pretty good. They supply M6 bolts with the kit, so we're gonna do rib nuts. There's our forest hole. I'm going to open it up so it fits with the unibit, pop this in, and then use my rivet tool over there to put the rivets in. So we'll get it squared up and I'll show you what it's like when it's in. Alright, well, that wraps up my install on the split flow flex fuel sensor. Got my lines from Dime PSI. This is the feeds to the fuel filter and then out into the car. This is my vent line, and then this is the return. I still gotta strap it up here, but other than that, she is done. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll be posting more content soon.